kabulilit, nandito tayo sa National Bookstore at bibili tayo mga school supplies. So, una, kailangan natin ng composition notebooks and assignments. Ito, composition notebooks. Okay. Ilan, we need assignment. What color? There's all different kinds of colors. Oh, hold on. Okay, wala akong mahanap, guys. Ito na lang first. Okay, ito. So, ito yung assignments natin. Lagyan natin sa basket. There. And second, we need English. There's no different colors. Okay, I'm gonna try to open this. Okay. 1, 2. So we have 2 composition. Okay, let's find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 7 more to go. Wait, composition. Oh, this one, blue, blue, blue. My favorite color. They already have gray. So mga kabulilit, nakahanap na ako ng 9 notebooks. So next is pencils and crayons. Come, let's go. First are pencils. Oy. Oh. Okay. Huh? So we need the scissors? Do we need scissors?
Yeah.
Okay, what should we need? ID case. We need the ID case. Wait. Okay, where's our card?
Magkano po yung eco bag? 30 pesos. Tingin. Sige.
Just kidding. Pataas siya ng pataas. Mabayarin, pataas siya ng pataas.
Baka may piso tayo.
May, yes. No, here.
May laking national po.
No.
May raffle entry kayo, ma'am. Login lang kayo sa website ng laking national po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.